grandmother used to beat them. May I tell you, my grandmother used to beat me. She used to just get up, beat me, beat me. Sometimes me all confused. Me don't know where this woman a beat me for. Sometimes me used to say, I thought me not do nothing for a morning, so why this woman a beat me? Me just used to think that that's how she exercise her muscle. She just beat. But me I say, my grandmother just used to beat me longer than the rest of grandpitney them. So me say, no man, me have to go do something about this. So me start study the difference of when she a beat me from when she a beat one of the next pitney them. And me realize say, as she give them couple lick, she tap, but she a beat me longer. So me say, alright, me need to study this. So me notice now when she a beat the other grandkids them, as she give them one lick, then start ball out for all type of things we had them and we are broke up, and she just give them two lick and then run gone. But me now, because I was a stubborn child, all when time she a beat me, me just stand up and me a take it lick them and me not till I shed 1 year water. And she used to say, oh, so you a big woman, you not ball, you Kimbo and give me body, you fight, you want fight me, I fight, you want fight me. So when me realize say a ball, me fi ball out. So when me do know, as me see she take up a belt, me put my hand on my head and me start ball out. How me foot a hat me, how me belly a hat me, I ball out say, grandma me back broke, how grandma murder me, and me more me ball out say, she a murder me, she just give me two lick and me run gone, cause she don't want to neighbor then hear that, you know. So for anybody who's living with their grandmother now, and then grandmother beat them, all you have to ball out is, grandmother stop murder me and see if she knows. Boy, me never used to love when my grandmother beat me. Because if me do want something this morning, trust me, when she a beat me for the things them where she beat me for already. Cause suppose me know what she played them this morning and my grandmother decided she a go beat me. And you know, so the beating them always at my night time. Cause true, we don't really stick around to get the beating in the day. The perfect time for she beat me and when we go to bed. Cause we have to come in at the house at night time. So no matter how we did I run up and down. So my time we do something from early morning, you know. And me think say my granny forget about it, you know, cause she a laugh with me the entire day. And me I do things and we think so we are friend and me I say, well, me nah bother get a beat me again cause we are friend now cause she a laugh. But as me going at the bed, you see she come in, they come grab me. Jesus Christ, this a woman that was something else. And the woman a beat me for the plate then when me no wash, and then me see she start bring up the clothes when me never take up last week. And she beat me for them sitting there already, you know. But me I get beaten for everything when me doing at the past where she beat me for already. I saw my grandmother beat. And what day, you know, me decide to confront my grandmother like how me a big woman now. I mean, I think she can beat me again. So me go up there and me say to her, Grandma, me want you tell me the God Almighty true. Why when time me a little pitney you used to give me so much a beating? Grandma laugh and look at me and say, Choman, I true me love you and me want you grow and do good.